I just tried to go live. I had the loonies. I got 5 on it on. Sorry guys, my voice is still shot. They flagged me, shut it down. They weren't gonna let me play that copyright on here, so I got the Trap My Ride soundtrack on. But anyway, guys, man, there goes my phone. I do a live video, ping, there goes my phone. Guys, if I'm on live, Facebook, don't blow up my messenger. Don't send me nothing. Leave me alone, because the ping's gonna come up. But anyway, damn, see? Oh yeah, there's a notification. They blocked the other video. So, there weren't any copyrights, but this should be okay. So, here we go. We're gonna keep going with the video that I was gonna do. I probably won't say much, guys. My voice is shot, I'm still sick. Man, I still got my safety belt on. I guess I can take that off. I'm not driving nowhere. I'm gonna get home for a minute or two. This is what we're doing. We're just hanging out, chilling, taking it easy. I figured I'd come out, give you guys a live video for Facebook exclusive. YouTube videos coming. Between work and being sick, guys, I'm beat. So things are, it's gonna be slower for me. But I think I am feeling better a little bit. My voice is still shot, so hopefully this weekend we can get back on track and get things rolling again like they need to be. So I really like to have my voice back, so that's the main thing. Be a lot better. I'm just gonna rest my voice. Way better for everybody.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.